Say, look, Dad, I'm sitting up. Vivian, say, look, Dad. Hi. Hi. Oh, you're going on your hands. Oh, good girl. Good job. Look at that control. Yay! Yay! Look at me, Dad. I'm gonna cry. What? What? Do you miss him? Are you crying because you miss him? Okay, that's okay. Say bye-bye. Here, let's see if you can you hold that? Look what Mama's got. Whoop. Here you go. Yeah, you all better now? You're still sitting. You're still sitting. That's a good girl.